Hey there, language lovers! Welcome to my channel, Let's Learn in English, your go-to channel for mastering English that will spice up your life and impress everyone. Let's get started!
Second grade science.
Compare how much liquid containers can hold by pouring water between them. Today we are going to learn about how much liquid different containers can hold by pouring water from one container to another. Can anyone tell me what a liquid is?
A liquid is something that flows and takes the shape of its container.
Great! Now let's pour some water from this small cup into this big bowl. Do you think the big bowl can hold all the water?
Yes, I think the big bowl can hold all the water.
Let's try it and see what happens. Now, if I pour the water from the big bowl back into the small cup, what do you think will happen?
The small cup won't be able to hold all the water.
Exactly! Some containers can hold more liquid than others. Let's try with different containers and compare how much they can hold. Remember, the size of the container tells us how much liquid it can hold.
Keywords and phrases.
1. Liquid. Water is a liquid. 2. Container. The container holds the water. 3. Pour. We will pour the water into the bowl. 4. Hold. This cup can hold more water. 5. Small cup. The small cup is empty now. 6. Big bowl. The big bowl can hold more water. 7. Compare. We will compare the containers. 8. Size. The size of the container is important. 9. More liquid. This container can hold more liquid. 10. Less liquid. This cup holds less liquid. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and join our journey to speak English like a native. Let's make learning science in English easy and fun.